9669. Okay. 2539669. All right. His email address is Edward Kamal at gmail.com. And yes, he wants to receive a text. And we agree to that. And alternative C, and they are in T-Mobile. T-Mobile, where are you, T-Mobile? T-Mobile. We can click on that, then select preferred contact, Alt C again, Alt C. So you shouldn't, they want a text. They want to be, text. So you shouldn't be worried. Like if it goes to such a box, you just Alt C to find out what it is. Okay, the preferred language here, we don't have an alternative. We have English. And the IP PIN number. This 1040SS is for seniors. Somebody 65 and above, you can use that. Okay, you can use that form. They have a benefit. The standard deduction is higher. It's a little bit higher than the rest. So they are 65 and a half. You can use that for them. The rest of the form is just the same as the 1040. Okay, so the identity PIN number, they don't have one. Then WDL, PK, 1, 2, 3. Okay, WA. They were issued 04/19, 2020, 2020. And to be 06/25, 2027. Okay, so and it's a driver's license. And so this person is going to have some kids. So sorry. So they are going to have 4. So head of household. Their address is 410 Main Street. That's in 98002 Auburn, okay, Washington. 222. They're not in the military, U.S. citizen, residency, yes. The IRS considers you as a resident so long as you have been here for over a year for tax purposes, not for immigration. So we don't have their bank information, the routing number and account number. If we do, we put it there. And then they have children who are Sam Kamau. And the date of birth is 02/18/2020. Okay. 2020. The social is 11/22/22/39. Oops, what happened? 11/22/22. Oh, I missed something. 22370. Okay. So, and the relationship is a son. We stayed together for 12 months. Mm. Okay, I want to show you something here. Let's say, for example, they have a daycare. They have daycare for this child. Then Eliza Gamal, or let's just call them the way they call them here. Liz Gamal. And she was born on 04/15/2018. Okay. The number is 112222. 2, 3. Oops. What did I do? 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 6, 0. Okay, that's a daughter. Okay, and so both of them have daycare. That's why I put them as so that you can see how we are going to put in, how are you going to claim daycare. Okay. All right. And this form 2441 is the one that is going to claim the daycare. Okay. This is a single man with 2 kids. So they are head of household. Now, so later on, when we are done with that, because next Thursday we are going to learn on Schedule F. That is for farming. Schedule F. Today is Schedule E. We did Schedule C, and we are going to do Schedule E. And at the same time, we want to understand then we'll go back after we are done with the Schedule F on Thursday. The next Tuesday, which will be on 15th, and Thursday, we'll be finalizing. We'll be going through the tax return and understanding each return. Okay, we'll be finalizing. So now, so we have that, but our main aim right now is Schedule E. So we're going to add Schedule E. This guy is a renter, okay? So we come to add form. Look for Schedule E right here. Schedule E. Okay, supplemental income. Once you click on it, then add. And it's going to give you the, you're going to, this is where you're going to put in the address for that house. And this address, we're going to call it 449 Main Street South, and the zip code is 98002. That's in Auburn, Washington. And what type of property is this? You come and click on alternative C. Okay. And here we have different alternatives. We have 1 for single family residence, 2 for multi-family residence. Multi-family is like a duplex, quadruplex. Quadruplex has 4 homes in one building. A duplex has 2 homes in one building. Okay, is it a vacation rental? Is it a commercial rental? Is it land? Is it loyalties, self rental, and all that? Okay. In our case, this is a single family. Single family is whereby it's just a house for one family. Okay, and we put in as a single family the description, single family residence. Okay, residence, and this one is how long. If you put your cursor there, it will tell you what it is. Okay, how many days did they? What is the number of days they lived, or rather they rented it out? So let's say 365 days. Okay, and whatever you don't understand, like here, you can Alt W, get to know like whatever you are going to put in there. So let's go back to our schedule E. Okay, so does it qualify? Is it a queue? If it qualifies, you put a queue. That's it. Did I put the wrong thing? Okay, or okay, all right. So the resident state it added because of the address that you have put here. If they have another home, then you add it there. If they have another one, you add it here. If you need more, it's Alt W. Oh, they are only allowing 3. Okay, so 3 buildings, 3 rental properties only. So now, for the rental, we have to have a 1099 miscellaneous, okay? For the rental, either 1099 miscellaneous or they can tell you how much money they got. They have to have it written somewhere, The expenses and all that will have to be written somewhere. So here we go. So we are going to use the same, we are going to use maybe 100,001. So 1099 miscellaneous, we're going to add it. Add 1099 miscellaneous, 1099 miscellaneous. Because 1099 miscellaneous, they may have got that from what do they call them? The management, because somebody may be managing the rentals for them. That's what people mostly do. They are not the ones who manage the rentals. They get a company, a management company that will be getting the money from the renters. And then if they have a problem in the house, they'll be calling the management company, not you. You don't want that to happen to you. So, okay. So you're going to 1099 miscellaneous. 1099 miscellaneous, here it is. MIS. You click on it just once, then add. And you're going to assume it's the same company that we had here, 2039166 is the management company, and we are going to call it JLEX. There's the same name, JLEX LLC. Okay. And the zip code is 91761. And it's in Ontario, California. And the address is 4048 E. Groveland Drive. Okay, and the other income. That's a very good one. Lengths. How much were they paid in length? We are going to say is 101,957. Okay. That's what we have on the 1099 miscellaneous. And here you can link it. You can link it to a Schedule C, Schedule E, or Schedule F. Okay. Remember, the next one will be Schedule F. So you can link this income here, the 101, you can link it either here. Okay, if it's loyalties, if loyalties is like think what the money that the artists get. If it's in loyalties, if the 1099 miscellaneous has loyalties or other income, you will know where to link it. What are you going to link it to? Are you going to link it on a Schedule C, Schedule E, Schedule F? Depending on what the taxpayer is going to tell you. Okay, the taxpayer is going to guide you. Is there federal tax withholding on the 1099 miscellaneous? Usually there isn't, but there can be. So be on the lookout. So is it a fishing boat proceeds? Fishing boat proceeds. Okay, so if it's a fishing boat proceeds, then you put it here according to what is on the 1099 miscellaneous. So it's nothing that you're going to worry about. So you look at all these numbers. Is it crops? Crops proceeds. Are you going to do at Schedule F? So if it's crops proceeds, then you put it there. If it's animal proceeds, then here also at the same time you go to Schedule F. And I'm going to Kiswahili. All right, so yeah, so you look at the whole form. So you don't just you just don't look at number one. You look at everything on this form so that you don't miss anything. That's the best thing you always do. Any form that you are given, any information that you are given by the taxpayer, what they write, go through it point by point. Don't assume anything. You don't know nothing. All you know is what they have written there. So you check everything they tell you. If it's something that cannot be added, because sometimes they give you information that cannot be added, it's not lawful to add, or it doesn't qualify to be added, you can let them know, hey, no, this one you can't add. Like today I had this lady, she bought I'm doing her 2020 tax return, and she's owing quite a bit, and she's owing like 18,000. Now she was telling me that she bought a car on 12/31/2020, and she wanted to claim 179. 179 is like claiming the whole amount, or like